Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to apply for jobs on LinkedIn. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn, open the app, and after that, go and click on jobs on the bottom right of the screen. You can choose whatever job that you want. For example, let me clear it. And for example, product marketing and media. So I'm looking now for product marketing and media jobs. I will change the country to, let's say, Chicago, so we can find more offers. And I will go for this, for example. So to apply for a job, you have just to click on the apply icon, as you can see it. And it will take you to the website of the company or the website that this company are using for receiving applications. And for some jobs, you will find an option called Easy Apply, like this one. As you can see, in this job, there is icon of LinkedIn and it's written next to it, Easy Apply. You have just to click on it. And for Easy Apply, you have just to click on it, on Easy Apply, and it will give you the option like, it will take all of your details from your LinkedIn profile and send them to the company that opened the application. It's easier, but I don't advise you to apply a lot on jobs that have this Easy Apply option, because you will find thousands of people applying for the same job. So as much as you need extra effort to apply for the job, you can guarantee that there is less people who applied for that same job. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel